We've defined our fields, so now let's move on to setting up our values. I'll navigate to the Value tab and click Load. As you may recall, we had a value called item name. I'll enter that now, item name. We also had an item description, so I'll add that too. Lastly, there's a value called colors. For item name and item description, I'll be pulling these from the items pool. I know the fields in the items pool are item name and description. For item name, I'll set the type to string, but for item description, I'll choose code instead of string. This way, when you double-click on this value, you'll be able to enter relevant data in the window that opens. When it comes to colors, this won't be from the item pool, so I'll create a new pool for it. Let's load our pools. First, let's review the existing pools. In the product hierarchy pool, I'll click Auto Set Key Fields to match the brand, category, main group, and product group fields. For the items pool, using the Edit Pool wizard, we've set the item name and description fields from the items table as values. After clicking Auto Set Key Fields, I'll hit OK. There's also a table for colors related to items, which we'll define using the new Pool wizard. I'll name it Item Colors. I'll set the connection to Blue Earth and select the Item Colors table from the definition schema. This table is based on item ID and color ID, so, for example, multiple colors can be assigned to a single item. I'll click Auto Set Key Field, followed by Auto Set Filters, so it can match any applicable fields with filters if they exist. I'll set the pool type to Read/Write, because this pool will allow us to add colors to items in the Items Colors table. Now, we have a pool named Item Colors. I'll return to the Value tab and click Load again to see the changes we made in the pool. I'll set the pool for the colors value to Item Colors, specify color ID as the DB field name, and set the type to List. By doing this, I'm telling QuickApp that the relevant colors should be selected from a list and then written to the Item Colors table. We'll need a lookup to select colors. I'll return to the global pools. Click on the new Pool wizard and create a new pool called Colors. I'll set the connection to Blue Earth and select the color table from the definition schema. When I click Load Data, I can see the color ID and color name fields. These are the fields we need for the lookup. Now, I'll go to Global Lookups and define a new lookup. I'll name it Lookup Color and link it to the Colors pool. I'll define the color name and color ID as the field names. Then, I'll return to the Edit Applications screen and click Load to ensure the global changes are reflected. Finally, I'll define the lookup for the color value. This setup will ensure that the colors associated with items are displayed as a list in our application, allowing users to add or remove colors. I'll mark all our values as editable and savable.